know from where we came, but we shoot for the stars. Oh yeah, I cannot complain, I've been blessed by the gods. Amen. My success insane, it look like a mirage.
So today we're going to show you a mod called a removable license plate. So coming up close to this is the removable license plate that kind of hangs on the bottom lip. There's a little pull pin here, you just pull, and then when you have the pin pulled, you pull the actual piece out. So now you can see it's a nice clean look. Go ahead and look under here and show them the pull pin. So it's right over here. So this is the mechanism for pulling it out. Now if you want to put this back on, it's just the reverse. I actually cut the bottom out of my front license plate, as you can see here, because it was too low, so it's kind of scraping the bottom and bending and making it look ugly. So I just shaved it off, and then now it clears every time on the driveway ever since I did this. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on now. Pull the pin, push it in, pull it out, locked in, line it up, and you're good to go.